the number 52 who's come for her turn. So.
It's okay. It's okay.
I hate that I have to do it in order, but it's the only fair way. Here, close eyes softly. Don't squeeze.
It's okay. She's just putting the white on her eyes.
Don't squeeze.
It's okay.
I'm gonna dry it. Can I dry it? Let me dry it.
Lily, it's okay.
Good job.
Good job, Leah. Leah, let me see. Cool.
Let me see over here. Softly close. I'm gonna give you a peek in a minute. Don't squeeze. Don't squeeze. You dry it. You dry it. You want to see so far? So far. You did such a good job. Now listen, sweetie. Are you gonna have the Spider-Man that goes all the way or the one that goes halfway? All the way?
I'd say the upper half would be fine.
Mommy thinks you should do the half one. Is that okay? Yeah? Okay.
Wow, Leah.
Oops, don't move your... Don't move. Want another sneak peek? Sneak peek. It's so good. Here, stay there. You're not done yet. Are you falling out? Don't fall out. Okay. Let's see.
Wow, Leah, you look so cool.
Another sneak peek. Sneak peek.
Oh, don't touch it. Don't touch it. Just
Don't fall out. Not done yet. You're super close to being done. Okay, so now I'm gonna draw a black around this eye and then show you. So hold nice and still. 1, 2, and you get to peek. And then we're gonna do the other one, sweetheart, okay? Same thing. Nice and still.
I'm buying them.
You're falling out?
She's just doing the black outline.
He's falling out. 1, 2, 3, and I gotta do 4. That one took 4. Sneak peek. And now we're gonna do your spider lines, okay? So we're gonna do, sweetie, one right up the middle. 1. And then 2, 3. And then we're gonna do some little side ones. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And then we gotta do the nose. 1, 2. And we gotta do the cheeks. 1, 2. And then we gotta do the nose again. 1, 2. One more. 3, 4. Perfect. Sneak peek. Sneak peek.
Look at you, Spider-Man.
And we're gonna just do, all we have to do is your webbies, and then we can just take your picture and your Spider-Man.
Whoa.
Spider-Man, you did it! You did it! Here's the